Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about how to make your home feel romantic. Let's be honest, holiday decor can so often make your house seem tacky. However, there are tasteful ways to celebrate special dates through home decor. You can add an air of romance to your interior without making your space feel too sugary sweet. Romantic room decoration done right can make all the difference in setting the desired vibe. Plus, it also gets way beyond the traditional rose petals. Feelings of ardor, warmth, intimacy, and tenderness can all be evoked throughout the house with the right decoration ideas. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Keeping things cozy is the way to go for making a space feel romantic. What better way to inspire the warm fuzzies than layering texture? Super tactile fabrics are among the top bedroom ideas for couples. Incorporate more plush, soft, and rich fabrics into the bedroom by adding scatter cushions, throws, and rugs. Consider faux fur, silk sheets, and velvet headboards for the ultimate romantic style decor. Romantic bedroom wall decor is another way to make your space feel romantic. Take a stroll down memory lane by creating a gallery wall featuring sentimental moments together as a couple. It's not just romantic wall art but nostalgic as well. Other romantic wall decor options for the bedroom include framed sweetheart initials, delicately patterned wallpaper, and fairy lights. An intricate headboard can also make a striking romantic statement against a bold wall. Opt for soft colors for your decor. First and foremost, a living room should be a relaxing space. By incorporating more soft and mellow colors, the room will have a tranquil romantic air about it. Moreover, pastels, baby pinks, muted shades of turquoise, and dreamy neutrals are all fantastic choices for your romantic living room decor. It is really important that your space receives enough light, so light up that room. There's just something magical about a room bathed in natural light. For a romantic living room effect, make sure the space gets enough light. A great way to enhance the room's dreaminess is to cover any floor-to-ceiling windows with light billowing curtains. Furthermore, make sure that you invest in floor and ceiling lights that emit a mellow glow. Don't forget to include some decorative pieces when decorating your space. Nothing says romantic interior design quite like decorative pieces of furniture. Elements such as button tufts and carved details add an atmosphere of old-world romance. However, it's important to keep moderation in mind. Remember, never to overdo it. Stick to only a few decorative core furnishings. Making a statement with mirrors is important to create a romantic ambience. It may seem like a practical addition to any bathroom, but the humble mirror can be so much more. Not only does a well-placed mirror or two create the illusion of a far grander bathroom, but it also makes a romantic decor. When creating a romantic vibe, don't forget to add accent furniture. Whether a chair, a lounge, or a plush bench, accent furniture can add much-needed softness and warmth to a bathroom. It's the perfect luxurious arrangement to add a romantic vibe. Keeping it clean and classy is really important. Whatever your romantic decor ideas, avoid cluttering the dining room with needless knickknacks. This is especially the case when setting the table for Valentine's or any other occasion. Certainly, nothing sours the mood quite like an overcrowded space. A clean, classy look is the way to go and will leave the room feeling fresh and comfortable. Charming the room with a chandelier is another way of creating a romantic vibe in your space. Glamorous and eye-catching, a chandelier can certainly elevate an entire dining room. However, be mindful when looking for this particular piece of romantic dining room decor. When shopping around for the right chandelier, remember to consider the room's existing furniture. It should complement the other furnishings and be of the right size for both the table and the space. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.